Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a refund from TradingView. Generally, refunds are available for annual subscriptions if you request one within 14 calendar days of the payment. However, please note that monthly subscriptions and first-time orders are usually not eligible for a refund. Also, if you paid using cryptocurrency, a refund will not be possible. Understanding these basic policies is the first step in navigating the refund process effectively. If you subscribe directly through the TradingView website, the process is straightforward. First, log into your account and go to your account and billing section. From there, find your subscription details and choose to cancel auto-renewal to prevent future charges. To initiate the actual refund, you must then open a support ticket, clearly stating your request within the 14-day eligibility period. For those who purchased a TradingView subscription through a mobile app, like Google Play or the Apple App Store, the refund process is different. TradingView's support team cannot directly handle these refunds. Instead, you will need to contact the respective app store where you made the purchase. Each platform has its own specific refund policy and procedure that you must follow to request your money back. To ensure a smooth refund process, always have your billing information, the exact purchase date, and your TradingView username and email address ready. Remember, simply canceling your auto-renewal stops future payments but does not automatically trigger a refund for a recent charge. After submitting your refund request, please be aware that it can take up to 30 days for the refund to be fully processed and reflected in your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.